In the heart of a lush jungle, as the rainy season poured its blessings, two foxes named Finn and Luna found an unlikely friend in a fearless bird named Skylar. Skylar, nesting high above, bravely rescued Finn and Luna from a raging river's treacherous currents. Grateful and humbled, the foxes offered protection from predators, forming an unbreakable bond. Through storms and sunshine, they discovered that unity transcended species. As the jungle echoed with their laughter, the rain became a symphony, celebrating the unique friendship of two foxes and a bird, a testament to nature's capacity for surprises.